Hello everyone, drum tech drummer and YouTube educator Kenny Sharretts here with a product review and demo for some great room treatment products from ArrowZoom for sound control in your home or YouTube studio. Now I decided to add a quick intro as number one, I wanted to remind everyone to please click the subscribe button to help my channel grow. And that if you enjoy my videos, please use the super thanks feature to help support my channel. The number two reason for the intro is to tell you that not only did these ArrowZoom products perform brilliantly in their task, but they were also super easy to install. Now the third reason for this intro is to tell you that via the code AZ-Kenny, all capital letters, you will get a 10% discount on all ArrowZoom products when you order online. And finally, for those who want to learn the drum tuning techniques that I've used in my 23-year career as a professional drum tech, working for artists such as Stevie Wonder, Rihanna, Janet Jackson, and The Dead, please stream my step-by-step drum tuning lessons at kennysharretts.com so you can learn how to get the drum sound you want every time you tune. Now that this intro is out of the way, let's get to the product demo and review, y'all. Hello everyone, drum tech drummer and YouTube educator Kenny Sharretts here today to share with you the installation of some sound treatment in my work studio. Now whether I'm shooting a YouTube video, recording a drum session, or doing voiceovers, I want to get the cleanest possible sound out of my studio. Now as you can see behind me, I've already treated this room with sound absorbing wall panels hung about 2 inches off the wall, with sky panels that are hung about 4 inches away from the ceiling, an assortment of foam wedges in the corners of the room to act as bass traps and kind of round the sound of the room up. Now this has massively tightened up the drum and vocal sound in my room, but I'm still getting some unwanted reflections in my mics from what is actually a quite reflective surface, the doors. So today I'm going to install some door dampening kits from ArrowZoom in order to get rid of those reflections. In addition, my second goal is to reduce both the amount of sound coming into the room from outside sources and the amount of sound coming out of the room. That way I reduce the amount of noise from outside the room bleeding into the mics when I'm recording, and when I teach online drum lessons on my kit that's supposed to be set up here for low volume, the kit really is low volume to everyone in the facility. The ArrowZoom door kits I'll be installing today will be the standard door kit, which I'll be installing on the closet doors to my left, and the Pro door kit, which I'll be installing on the entry door. Now the standard door kit comes with 20 medium density polyester panels, a roll of acoustical door ceiling stripping, and a panel cutting tool so you can cut these panels to fit. The panels are 12 inch by 12 inch square and about 0.4 centimeters thick. They have no adhesive backing, so I will need to use a spray adhesive to mount them to the door. And these panels offer between -10 and -20 dB noise reduction. Now the Pro door kit comes with 20 12 inch by 12 inch square by 2 centimeter thick panels comprised of a thin high density polyester panel with dense foam backing. And the foam has an adhesive backing for easy installation. And these panels offer about -30 to -40 dB of noise reduction. I also picked up ArrowZoom's door sweep, as truth be told, a lot of sound does bleed in and out underneath your door. So now that you know my plan, let's get to installing some ArrowZoom door kits in my studio, y'all. Come on. All right, so the first thing I'm going to install is the ArrowZoom door sweep, as it's super easy to do and it gives me a guide for cutting the panels to fit at the bottom of the door, as well as a guide for where to start installing the soundproof stripping inside the frame. Now there's nothing fancy about this door sweep, but in an initial test, it was quite effective, y'all. And now comes the time that we add the panels to the door. Now the first thing you want to do is clean the door off. Soap and water or a mild cleaner should do the trick.
So the first thing I did was install the stripping around the door. The key was making sure it fit firmly with a good seal, but the door could still close. Then I installed the Pro door kit. With the adhesive backing, it was easy as it gets to install these panels. And with a razor knife, I was able to easily cut a hole for the door handle, as well as split the panels to finish the rest of the door from left to right, where the panels were too big for the skinny spot I had to cover. Next, I installed the standard door kit. Since it fit the door perfectly, all I had to do was use a little spray adhesive and the panels went right up. Again, easy peasy to measure and cut a hole for the door handle with a razor knife. The main key for this installation was having a drop cloth to cover the overspray from the adhesive.
Okay, so we have everything installed. Now comes the time to hear the difference. first, let's listen to the practice kit without and then with treatment. All right, y'all, I gotta say that as far as reducing the amount of noise coming out of the room via the entry door, when I'm teaching on this low volume kit, the ArrowZoom Pro Door kit knocked it out of the park. In my opinion, it has reduced the noise level by at least 50%. And considering how easy the ArrowZoom Pro Door kit was to install, the phrases game changer and no-brainer come to mind. Moreover, the standard door kit on my closet door helped tighten up the sound of these Kaza practice cymbals during my online drum lessons, which was awesome for my students. And finally, let's check out a full volume, fully mic'd kit without treatment and with treatment, y'all. All right, now if you wonder why I'm smiling, it's because using my full volume kit is where I noticed the biggest difference the Pro Door kit and Door Sweep has made for the sound of my studio. First of all, both door kits absolutely helped reduce the unwanted reflections of my cymbals and snare that I was getting in my recordings due to the untreated doors. It's so much better, y'all. What's even better though is that the amount of noise the Pro Door kit and Door Sweep reduced coming into the room was absolutely insane, and the difference in my recordings is undeniable. I never knew just how much bleed there was coming through the door, man. My studio is now like a vacuum of clean sounding air. My recordings no longer have bleed from the sounds of the activity of the world around me.
Hence, the only thing my ultra-sensitive Earthworks mics capture is killer drum sounds and ultra-clean voiceovers when I do my VO sessions.
Finally, while there is only so much one can do to control the sound of the full kit blazing through the walls without fully treating the walls themselves, there was definitely a good amount of reduction of the sound of the full kit coming out of the room via the door. So to wrap it up, y'all, I think it's safe to say that both of these kits performed their intended duties flawlessly. Moreover, for those who want an easy-to-install solution to reduce the sound flowing through your room entry door, or to tighten up the sound of your home or YouTube studio, the ArrowZoom Pro Door Kit is, as I said, a game-changing no-brainer, y'all. So thank you for watching this review. For more reviews, as well as drum tuning and drum tech tips, please watch my YouTube channel, YouTube Kenny Sharretts. And for more in-depth, step-by-step drum tuning lessons, please visit my website, kennysharretts.com, as streaming my lessons helps to support my channel and gives you a wicked set of tuning skills to boot. Solid, y'all.